This is a database file used by the legacy version of Evernote. It stores your local notes. You can't open it with the new Evernote web version. You need the legacy client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the solution. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for EXB problems. See below for my top choice. An EXB file is associated with Evernote and CA, likely referring to certificate authority or computer associates, depending on context. In Evernote, EXB files may contain cached data or backup information. The specific role of EXB files can vary depending on the version and configuration of Evernote. The internal structure of EXB files in Evernote is proprietary and subject to change with software updates. These files may contain serialized objects, metadata, and other data structures used by Evernote for efficient operation. Understanding the exact format requires reverse engineering or access to Evernote's internal documentation. The source application for EXB is frequently listed as Evernote from Evernote Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows allows basic viewing, but advanced editing options need the appropriate document application. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your EXB file and choose Open With. Use Evernote if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If you still cannot open your EXB file, that is okay. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, use Evernote for Windows. Open the Evernote desktop application. It uses this file locally to store your notes, images, and web clippings. Next, use Evernote Import. Look for the import or restore settings in Evernote to manually point the software to this database file. Finally, check for Excalibur. If you are using a library system, try opening the file with Excalibur software to view the stored document database. If your current apps can't interpret your EXB file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the EXB file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Thanks to everyone who has already subscribed. If you haven't, please click to subscribe and join us. Remember to be patient with complex formats.